This is my app for the Culminating grocery list app. We went through the simulator and show the code at the same time. So when you launch the app, it shows the first view controller, a simple launch screen, the title of the app, and a button that segues to the second view controller. So when that is pressed, the second view controller is pulled, it's shown in detail, show detail segue. So then we have our first column on the left, the item amount, you have your stepper, and you have your labels. The labels are all different variables and not put into an outlet collection as to make sure it is individual and the values are individual and not connected so that it doesn't mix up. Same thing goes for the stepper to make sure that values are individual and they don't get mixed up. So then we have a function here. It sets the label to an integer value, and that integer value it takes the value of the stepper being incremented and decremented, sets it to an integer, and then sets the text and the label to that value. And then we have a function here connected to all of the steppers in this row, and it calls this function, and that's how the label shows up and it is incremented and decremented. We have our item column, no code is attached, just UI text fields and constraints. Let's say someone is going for a cereal run. They're getting their favorite cereals for their family, and you just type in, and those are your items. That's how you keep track of it. So for item price, let's say Frosted Flakes are $9.98. This is $7.60, and Cheerios are $8. You type in the value of the item price, and you hit calculate, and the total price is shown below. And then this column here is just switches. They're kind of just marks. Oh, I've gotten this. I've gotten the Frosted Flakes and the Cheerios. What's left is the Fruit Loops. Okay, so that's how the app works. There was a user experience problem with the code, or not with the code, but there's a user experience problem. And what I attempted to fix was changing the item amount does not reflect into the calculate price. It stays the same. If there's 4 of an item, the price wouldn't just be $9.98. It would be $9.18, $27, $36, around $36, but that is not reflected. I tried to add an add item button here and have that button down below here, put in some text and check to see if the value, but I was not able to complete that portion of it. Okay, so this is my app. I hope you have a great day.